Good morning. The house behind me is ours. We built this house together. I shared all renovation stages in 5 episodes. I am doing new things, but now I have a much better idea. Watched my old videos know. We are changing the vegetable garden section. Children's demand, we'll build a pool. Craftsmen arrived, preparations started. How is a 4x7 swimming pool built from scratch in the garden of a villa? We will proceed together with you. Welcome. Those who watched the renovation clips know the house well. Now, we have been living in the house for 2 years. The house has developed a lot in landscaping. Since we are in the spring months and beautiful flowers are blooming, I did not want to bring an excavator into the garden. Normally, the usable structure of the house, this area, is already a large area. Normally, we considered the pool built here, but if we built the pool here, the usable area of the garden where the children play would be lost. So, the vegetable garden area you see here up to my stone oven, we thought of digging a 7x4 meter area here, which is quite spacious and will allow us to grow a variety of vegetables. I thought we could set up a platform with a table and such, like chairs, so that people who want to eat can dine by the pool. Now we have decided on this area. We get nice vegetables and fruits from the vegetable garden for 2 years. Yes, now we have completely removed the vegetable garden. We also removed the wire fences here. Since the lower garden is not used, we will cut the grass and pile the soil here. We will also move a small amount of soil to the back area with a bobcat. Now, the work continues as planned and expected. We are currently at this stage on the first day of the renovation. Yes, the end of the 4th day of the pool renovation. We finally reached the ground. Now where the shovels are is exactly 1.70 meters. So, considering the formwork height, it will be approximately 30 centimeters of formwork. There is a septic pipe. This pipe will be shifted. It will be shifted. We have made significant progress. They brought it to this level in 4 days. They have progressed. The digging of the pool is complete. It took 12 days. It took longer than expected, but we dug a huge area. About 55 tons of soil came out. The depth is about 1.70 meters. We have cut the mouth of the septic pipe. Silo is making the connection. This is the main septic type of the site. Now we are disconnecting it. We will take this pipe from the bottom. It will stay in formwork. We have opened this part. We will connect it. Nothing where the pool is now. We have set aside the soil to fill. The friends have arrived. You see these stakes. There are stakes everywhere. Those stakes are our levels. According to those levels, we will pour the concrete shortly. We have made the connection for the septic system. This part is left. We will connect it now and have started pouring the leveling concrete, which we call gyro concrete. It helps to level the land towards the slope on the right side of the land. We will also give a slope in this direction. Now our concrete is being poured. The pouring process of the concrete is completed. Now the lower area where the pool's foundation connection will be made is ready. We are letting it dry. Whatever we did, we couldn't solve the problem with the septic pipe. We changed it. We added a white shower pipe, a 200 PVC pipe, and completed this area. Now, the steel construction of the ground slab with 12-gauge rebar has currently begun. The construction process is underway. The rebar is being laid. Steel slabs are placed every 20 or 22 centimeters. Since these parts will be the gaps for the side walls, meaning they will come up from here, everything up to that distance is currently ready. Our first day of laying the iron is finished, placing less iron as it will be under the machine room, making that area slightly shallower. The pool's retaining wall is completed. At the same time, our pool has arrived. We completed all the piping work here. That is, we did all the piping with the black PVC pipe suitable for the pool. We pulled everything towards the machine room and prepared it. Now, the pipe opening here will be our outlet for the showers. The pipe opening over there will be the pipe we need to drain the pool. If you notice, the septic pipe goes from the back. We won't need it. We'll pour the base. Sealing tapes are in position. I learned of the sealing tape. Half of the tape will remain inside concrete, and the other half will remain inside the curtain. The area you see is the interior of the pool. These are the sprinkler heads of the clean water nozzles. I think it relates to circulation. The machine room. We'll drain all the water from this area. Now at the final concrete pouring stage, what you see here is the waterfall. The machine room. The workers are tying the final reinforcement wires. Notice, we are 5 meters high. This pile of soil will be removed, dumped in the side yard. Here is the normal height. Now the area for the machine room has also been prepared. The iron bars have been laid. Now our concrete. Look, here the cables have been prepared. It has entered the machine room. It's different from yesterday. This area will be occupied by machines. It will be covered on top. Reinforcements have been placed. These prevent the concrete from pressing in this direction. Now, the vibrator machine will ensure that the concrete penetrates deeply and thoroughly and completely. We made the inner molds from plywood and the outer molds from standard boards using. Although it has become interior and exterior plywood, it is quite busy. Let me show you broadly. Look, we are removing the mold tomorrow and our pool concrete will be revealed. We have entered the final phase of our construction project. If I show you from above, this is the general view of the machine room and the pool area. As you know, it's construction work, which involves a lot of detailed planning and execution. Yes, all the concrete work for the pool has been completed successfully. The entire process has been quite meticulous, ensuring that every aspect is up to the highest standards. We are very excited to see the final outcome and share it with everyone. The concrete for the walls and retaining walls you see has been poured. They have been left to dry completely. As of tomorrow morning, we will completely remove it. This is the retaining wall of the pool. The area you see here is the machine room of the pool. We are starting with exterior decorations, interior ceramics, and insulation work. The retaining wall's concrete has been poured. Demold the concrete. The concrete has dried, removing the molds. Full insulating of the pool finished. 5 days passed since insulating. Material fully cured. What you see is the material applied for floor and wall insulation of the pool. We use Fix's Aqua Cement 2K205 chip component product. This is the product you see. A mesh application was also done with this product. The mesh application you see here is also applied on the entire surface of the pool. This product becomes waterproof after approximately 5 days. It fully hardens after 14 days, but becoming waterproof after 5 days was sufficient for me. The infrastructure lights installed today. Tomorrow, the pool's ceramic tiles to be laid. I showed the tiling direction as I won't be here. The floor tiles are indeed different from the wall tiles. I think we can almost see the pool walls almost completely finished by tomorrow. The skimmers opposite side, expelling the water outward, have been installed in their places. The pool's filtration systems are ready for the ceramic tiling. Yes, now we are slowly and steadily approaching the end. This area you see right over here is where the pool bar and shower will be. There will be a shower and a pool bar. This area will expand. The waterfall will be there. The middle part will be a waterfall with a pipe. Both sides will be designed. On the opposite side, a projection screen will come through the long rectangle. The edges of the projection screen will be illuminated. A great design will emerge. The pool is finished and the grouting done. They will start the installation from tomorrow. The huge pool will be ready for swimming after the installation. We need to fix these edge parts first. I made it in 3 levels. Its height is about 3.70. Then it drops to 2.80. Then it drops to 1.50. I wanted it to be in 3 levels. We made this a special area. We made this part lower so as not to disconnect it. A very nice bar system will be installed here. The final field concrete for the pool is also being poured. This area will be entirely a seating area around the pool. That was the machine room. Now, from here to those parts over there, it will all be the concrete seating area of the pool. We have arranged everything. The plastering work around it is also completely and thoroughly finished. Now the exterior of the pool is finally emerging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, our pool is finished. Our pool was completed in May, but we made many changes. So, many things progressed in the plan you see behind me. I spent close to 400,000 lira. The area the pool lies, along with the dining area, is made of marble. We used the Marble Light Emperor. We built our shower section. Next to it, I built a bar like a kitchen. It has 6 drawers and cabinets made of wood. We can eat in this area, and below is the machine room, a triple machine system. In the area you see on the left, our artist friends crafted fish using the relief technique. From the area you see on the left side, the waterfall flows into the pool. We had a very enjoyable summer. The children started swimming in the pool from May onwards. We maintained it regularly. I enjoyed it. I hope you get to experience the same.